this video, we'll walk you through 2 real remote jobs hiring right now. Job 1 is a virtual account associate role, paying up to $14,000 per month with full training provided. Job 2 is a customer support specialist position that's beginner-friendly, stable, and offers benefits. Welcome to Remote Hustle Europe, your go-to channel for real, no-degree remote jobs from top companies. Let's get into it. Job 1. Virtual account associate. This job is remote and pays $8,000 to $14,000 per month based on performance. No prior experience is required. Responsibilities include building lasting relationships with clients. That means being friendly, helpful, and regularly checking in, not just selling to them, but supporting their needs. Delivering virtual product demos. You'll show potential customers how the product works during online meetings, walking them through key features in simple, easy-to-understand language, working toward individual and team sales goals. There are clear targets, but you'll also have support to help meet them. Explaining the value of products to prospects. You'll help potential customers understand why this product matters to them in real-world terms. Engaging with warm leads. These are people who already showed interest. You're not cold calling, just helping move them toward a decision. Tracking sales activities. You'll keep basic records of who you talked to and what happened using simple tools. What you get in return. You'll work completely from home. There's an unlimited commission structure, so your income is directly tied to how well you perform. The better you do, the more you earn. You'll receive training on the company's products, virtual tools, and sales techniques. No experience needed. The company provides high-quality leads, so you can focus on closing deals instead of chasing prospects. The job is full-time, Monday through Friday, on a regular day shift. You'll be asked where you're located and need to confirm you have a stable internet connection. Pay ranges from $8,000 to $14,000 per month, and the schedule is flexible. If this sounds like a fit, apply early using the link in the video description or pinned comment. Before we move to the next one, if you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly job leads. Job 2. Customer Support Specialist. This job is remote hybrid and pays between $33,000 and $47,000 per year. As a customer experience call center specialist, your role is to provide great service to customers and internal service professionals. Most of your shift, around 80 to 85%, will involve supporting people via phone, text, or email. Responsibilities include answering customer calls and messages. You'll provide accurate and timely information about the company's services, resolving customer issues. That means listening carefully, understanding the concern, and seeing it through until the problem is solved. Working with other departments like scheduling, sales, or billing. You'll help coordinate solutions and get customers what they need quickly. Following up on feedback. You'll contact customers who've left feedback and help improve their experience. Meeting performance goals. These include average call times, quality ratings, and customer satisfaction scores, using basic call center tools like phone systems and customer service software. Joining training or coaching sessions on webcam is encouraged. You'll need to maintain a quiet, focused workspace with minimal background noise. Qualifications. You must have a high school diploma or GED. Good communication and listening skills are essential. You should have basic computer skills and positive, friendly attitude. 1 year of customer service experience is preferred but not required. You'll need a laptop or desktop, high-speed internet, and a headset. A webcam is preferred for training sessions. Benefits include paid training, weekly pay, health insurance after 90 days, paid holidays, and more. The schedule is Monday to Friday during the day, with 1 Saturday per month required. You'll be asked whether you have a computer and reliable internet. Interested? Apply now, using the direct link in the description or pinned comment. Here's a quick tip. If you find a job that looks good, don't wait too long. Many remote roles fill fast. Always tailor your resume with keywords from the job post. For more weekly updates on high-paying, no-degree jobs, make sure you're subscribed to Remote Hustle Europe. See you in the next video.